Hi guys, it's Cho Ayala of Drakespec Customs and I'm happy to introduce to the Philippine market this product, Cataclean. It's known worldwide, but it's the first time that it's made available in the Philippines. It's been out for a few weeks now, but I only made this video after I personally tried it on both of my cars. At Drakespec Customs, we take pride in only selling or promoting products that we actually use regularly on our own vehicles. Let me clear a few misconceptions or potential misconceptions about this product. First is, it's not a fuel enhancer. This is an exhaust system cleaner, a fuel system cleaner, rolled into one. Second, when you try it and you observe improvements in your vehicle, it's not added performance. It actually is a restoration in your vehicle's original performance, like when it was new. Cataclean has been hailed by experts as the best fuel system cleaner in the world. So do you need it? We all do. Please watch the rest of the video for more information and for the directions on how to use it. I hope you like this video. For your orders, don't hesitate to send a message to Drakespec Customs. Like our Facebook page, like and subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Thank you and take care.